All right guys, here it is. All finished, installed. There's the transmission cooler mounting bracket at a 6061 aluminum. Mounted to that is the Duraley twin fan intercooler, or not intercooler, transcooler, with the color fittings, purple fittings for Rett syndrome awareness. And we follow these lines back to the transmission, to the UPR AN fitting adapter for the 10R80 and the 6R80. And I tapped into the factory cooler and converted that to AN also. And just got to test out the fans, just finished wiring those up. And this will be complete. The only thing I'm worried about right now is once I get the drive shaft back in here, because I got to pull the front diff out and swap that out. But I may have to reroute these lines, just depending on what that clearance is, because I think it's going to be a little bit close. And I think the only thing that's helping me out with it right now is the lift kit. So we'll see when I get that in there, but for now, yeah. We'll see how this thing, how much cooler it runs with this. My current trans running between 200 and 206 degrees on a daily basis. With a 6,500 pound trailer going up Berthoud Pass, we hit 240 degrees. So we're gonna see how much this cooler knocks that down. If you wanna see more, like, subscribe, follow along.